fell 11.9% from July and are down overall 13.8% year to date. This inventory shortage continues to keep prices moving upwards in many areas, though we are seeing slower price growth in cities as more buyers are seeking homes outside of the city areas. It's Friday, September 16th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the market is doing locally, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. August had the lowest number of new listings throughout the market area. The number of home sales was also down 8.4% compared to last August. Buyer demand moved from moderate to steady, and the demand for higher-priced single-family homes continues over interest in lower-priced homes. This could be due to the rising interest rates, pricing buyers qualified in lower price ranges out from buying. The Maryland suburbs median sold price rose to $470,000 at the end of August, reflecting a 4.4% increase in sales price from last August and 7.6% higher overall year to date. Southern Maryland saw the median sold price rise 6.5% from last August to $410,000 and 10.4% increase overall year to date over last year. The Baltimore metro area prices are also up 6.7% from last August to $368,000 and overall 6.1% year to date. Overall properties sold since last report dropped 20% to 1,290. These sold in an average of 10 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Gibson Island for $5 million. Rental inventory rose again this past week to 1,869 at $2,350 per month. These have been listed for lease for 22 days thus far. Are you thinking about moving? I believe you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for September 16, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.